Hey everyone, this is Jacob here in the nursery at Yew Dell, and nothing says spring like getting your first shipment of annuals into the greenhouse. It might only be coming up on the middle of February, but for us we're really getting into high gear. Today we had 1,800 cuttings come in the mail. In this small box, it's kind of hard to believe that there's that many plants in here. But let's open it up and see what it looks like. Do a little bit of extra packaging because of the time of the year and being such sensitive plants, because these don't have any roots on them. Like I said, they're cuttings. So we've got our trays laid out here on the benches. These mist heads above us are going to shoot out mist every so often throughout the day to keep them hydrated until they do put their roots out. And what we can do in the next week or so, we can come back and do another video and kind of show you the process that those cuttings do, and which enables them to put out new roots. So, lantanas, got all kinds of fun stuff in here. 1,800 plants worth. More lantana, more lantana. This is one of the visitors' favorites. I'm going to pop that open and look at it. This is Strobilanthus, or Persian shield. But that's it. That's all it is. That's where the cutting was made. And we'll put that in a little bit of rooting hormone, stick them in these plug trays. The mist will keep them hydrated, and eventually they'll put out roots. So what most of these plants are going to be for are the display gardens here at Yew Dell this spring and summer. That's Copperhead Coleus, Coleus Inferno, and there should be 50 or 100 cuttings in each one of these bags. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, these are the sun patients. That's probably 15, 20 plants in my hands. But we'll spend the next hour or so with Hort staff getting these stuck in here, and then we'll get the mist heads programmed. They're on a computer. So what we'll do is we'll program the time for it to come on in the mornings, and then the time for it to go off in the evenings, because we won't have mist at night because the humidity just doesn't need it. And then we can also program the length of the mist time and the interval between misting. So we'll get it set up to mist maybe 10 seconds every 5-10 minutes at the beginning. We'll get that figured out in a bit. And then we'll start backing that off as the roots start coming out and the cuttings get hardened off. So hope you all can come visit us in the next few weeks, and when you do, here in the glass house, you'll be able to come in and take a look at all these.